Samsung because the screen was better.
Oh yeah.
And I found it for like $80
Oh, nice.
on eBay, so it was a really good deal. But that was another one I'm looking at. How long have you had that for?
Oh shit, what happened to my car?
Oh, is that from the?
No, it sounded like the engine is dying.
Was it on the gas or the brakes? Seems okay.
No, it seems like the car was stalling. I don't know what the hell happened.
That was just where you're on the gas only?
No, I was a little bit on the brake.
Mm.
Holy shit, don't tell me my car is about to die. Wow.
It's supposed to look like that, right? When you're stopped?
Yeah,
Okay,
if I
no,
let